Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So today's video is going to be Amazon makeup haul, Amazon beauty haul. I have so many things that I got from Amazon. Festivals will be coming up and I was running low on my makeup. So this time around I just wanted to give a shot to some new creams, some new eyeshadows, maybe concealer palettes, things like that. So I have everything over here, but then I do not bring anything to you guys that I do not test and try on myself. So I'll be able to give you guys a little bit of a mini review of these products, but I'm sure you must have heard about these products because these are like really popular products. Leaving a few or maybe all of them are really popular. That is the external beauty part that I'm talking of. But the best beauty actually comes from within. So not only what you think but also what you eat actually reflects on your skin, your hair, your nails and your overall well-being. So I think before I begin with the makeup haul, I'm going to tell you guys about this really nice, multivitamin tablet that I've been taking from a really long time now. If you've been following this channel, you probably know since I got this from Amazon only, so I thought I might as well include it in this. No amount of makeup can suffice for the kind of nutrition that you take. So make sure that you actually eat proper balanced diet. Make sure that your diet includes all macro and micronutrients in proper proportion. But there are some nutrients that are not met in our daily life. So for that we need to have supplements. I'm talking about this one. This is Healthwit Senvitan Women Multivitamin and Multi-Mineral Tablets. There are like 60 tablets in this one and this is priced at ₹550. This product has a lot of reviews. This is one of the most popular products by Healthwit and this is actually available over the counter, but you do not actually need a prescription for this one. But again, I would just like to give you a slight bit of a disclaimer that if you're a lactating mother or if you're pregnant, please make sure that you actually consult your doctor before using this. Or if you are under any kind of a persistent medication, then again also consult your doctor before actually taking this. This is actually for energy, immunity, metabolism and some healthy appearance. This is really nice and it contains all the nutrients in perfect balance. This has 60 tablets and you have to take one along with your meal. I take it after my afternoon meal. You can buy this from anywhere. This is actually available on Flipkart, Amazon of course, because this is Amazon haul and I've got it from Amazon, but you can get it from Healthwit's own website, Flipkart, Amazon, Myntra. I think even Nykaa keeps this one, so you can buy it from wherever you want to. Most of the time this is available on discounts. I'm sure price is not going to be an issue because this is 60 tablets and you have to consume one single tablet every single day. So this will actually last you for 2 months. Now inside of this is a bottle, and here is the bottle. Inside are these capsules. The tablets look like this. These are not capsules but tablets and they look like they are pink color, really beautiful tablets. Of course they smell medicinal or not really pleasant smelling, but of course they do you a lot good. So this Senvitan for women actually has over 26 nutrients that actually fill all the nutrients gap that you have. This is specifically meant for women, but they also have for kids and for men. If you want to read more about it, you can definitely log on to their website. You can also probably find more about this on Amazon or on any website. I really trust this product because this is by Healthwit, which is under the parent company of West Coast, which is actually certified by World Health Organization. And this product that you see here, that is in my hand, that comes to the consumer, is actually halal. This meets all the ISO standards. This is FSSAI certified as well, GMP. That means it follows all the good manufacturing practices. Apart from that, I think this is also cruelty-free product. Even though I do take multivitamin supplements, but I do feel that nothing can actually substitute for a healthy, balanced diet. But of course, you don't get all the nutrients from the meal that we eat. So that's why it is important for you to actually balance the gap, bridge the gap by using this. I would definitely recommend this tablet if you feel like you're losing hair, if you feel like your nails have become brittle, or if you feel too dry, or if you feel that your skin is getting scaly or something. Probably you're lacking some really micro essential nutrients and this will bridge the gap. So you have to use it like for 2 months to actually notice a difference. But it is not really the external appearance that makes a lot of difference, but it is how you feel inside. So for that I would definitely recommend it. It is a really nice multivitamin tablet that I really trust. Of course you can get a lot of multivitamin tablets at a lower cost, but since I've not tried those, I cannot really speak about them. But this is one of my trusted products that I've been talking about my channel all this while. I think this is the only multivitamin that I've been talking of on this channel. So really love this product, would highly recommend. All the links will be given in the description box. Definitely check this out. Now moving on to the beauty, the external beauty tools and makeup things. So let's quickly get started. Talking about the tools, the first thing and the only thing that I got is this brush by PAC. PAC brushes are really nice, probably in the affordable range. Like, I will not call it really affordable because, you know, 400, 500, 600, 700. Sometimes makeup brushes, good makeup brushes are very expensive. This is this makeup brush and this comes in this kind of a packaging which is really good for travel. This is contouring brush in the shade 247. This is priced at rupees 535 rupees and this is what it looks like. Now it has this angled but a flat head and the bristles are really soft, so the application is going to be really smooth. You can also use this brush to buff your foundation because this is kind of very dense, not so dense as a foundation brush but dense enough to actually buff in your foundation. It's more like a buffing brush. I don't know, I'll be using it for a contour brush, but because of the flat head I will probably be using as a foundation brush. So this is what it looks like. I've had good experience with PAC brushes, but since I use Real Techniques brushes, I think nothing comes close to Real Techniques one, but I am excited to give this one a try. So that was the only makeup tool I think in this. Now moving on to other stuff. Recently in my favorites video I did speak to you guys about a face wash I am really enjoying. It is this one. This is Wow Upton. This is Wow Skin Science Upton Foaming Face Wash. Since you've been hearing about this a lot on my channel, I'm not going to talk a lot about it, but this is what the packaging actually looks like. I really like this face wash. Just in a nutshell, I would say that if you have sensitive skin and if you feel like you know, face washes break you out, and if you're looking for a face wash probably in the affordable range, you can go for this one. This is for 399 rupees. It comes in this kind of a packaging and this is 100 ml and it really lasts a long time. So you remove this cap and you just press the pump. I still have one going, so I'll be using it probably after a week or so. So that's why the cap was on. You just pump the product out. It comes out like a foam and you just scrub your face. This is very soft. So even if you have acne or any kind of an issue, this is not going to you know, bother or irritate your skin. It's a really good face wash for 399. I love this face wash. I mean, I can totally recommend this one. Next, I got a kajal. Now, I'm not really so much of a kajal person. You will not see me wearing a lot of kajal. If you see any color under the eyes on my lower lashes, that is mostly eyeshadow. But I just wanted to get myself a kajal, so I got this really like cult favorite Lakme Deep Black Iconic Kajal. This is really nice. Of course, you see the packaging, everything is open. I've just shoved it back inside the packaging so I can show you, but I've tried everything out. This has a very smooth application. This actually just glides on and very smooth application, so you have to be careful if you want a very precise line. Also, it is very soft, so it might break, so just take out very small quantity of the product over here. This is retractable, so you actually take out the product like this, and this is the total quantity of product. This is the entire quantity of the product that you get. I like to use it more on my lower lashes than on my upper lashes, and this is pretty affordable too. This is priced at 185 but is always available on discount. I got two of these. One I gave to my sister and I'm looking forward to actually apply more kajal probably this winter. So yes, that is the one. Next up, I got this Lakme curling mascara. This is black Iconic. This is Smart Curl Brush. Intense black finish. That is what the packaging says. This is priced at rupees 450, which is a decent price for a mascara. It is not very expensive, it is not very affordable. So this is of course this was open, so this is what the mascara actually looks like. It's a simple, you know, plastic packaging, slightly curved over here. Now this mascara, I'm wearing it right now, and this is of course not my favorite of the mascaras, but the best part that I really liked about this one is the wand part, and it doesn't say anywhere that it actually gives volume, and it does not give volume. So I'm glad that it is not making any false promise. So if you see closely, where do I keep it? So if you see closely, the wand has a slight bit of a curl. Now this curl actually helps to lift the eyelashes a little upward, but I think if you curl your lashes, that definitely helps. It definitely makes your lashes longer. Like you can see, you can feel your lashes getting longer, but it does nothing to the volume, nothing, absolutely nothing. So if you lack volume, probably this is not the one for you, but if you are a fan of really long lashes, then you can go for this one. I like the wand part of it, even though it feels very light. You feel that it's not it's not really getting the hair, but it actually gets every single, you know, eyelash, and it actually coats every single eyelash. That is something I really like about it. I love the wand. I'm not sure, I've been using it since the day I got it, and I like the way how my lashes look longer. Like they do not look fuller, but definitely longer. So I like it for that. If you are if you have voluminous lashes, but you like, if you have voluminous lashes and your lashes lack length, this is a perfect mascara for that. I really like it for the lengthening aspect, and of course it gives slight bit of a curling as well. I would not deny that. So overall, if I have to say, yes, it is a good mascara, but I really wish if they could come up with something that can actually give a little bit more of volume as well. Now moving on to another eyeliner, I'm really enjoying it. This is Maybelline. I've tried this one for the first time. This is Maybelline's the Colossal Bold Liner. It says it lasts up to 24 hours. This is bold black, smudge proof, waterproof for 249 rupees. Now what I really liked about this one is that, of course, everything is available on discount on Amazon, so you don't have to worry about that. The price that I'm actually mentioning is actually the MRP. So this is what the bottle actually looks like. It's black and yellow, just a good old Colossal packaging. Now I love this liner. I mean, I am quite picky when it comes to my liner because I'm not pro with my liquid line, and I need something that I can have control over and that can give me the precise, you know, good liner. I am not so much of a very dramatic liner. I like simple lines, slight bit of wing, and I'm good. And if any liner gives me that, I'm all good for that. So I really like it. There's also a pen liner that I think I did show you. The problem with the pen liners is that they dry really quickly. So I showed you, I think, a Maybelline's liner. It's dry now, so they dry really quickly, so that's totally useless. So this one actually lasts also a very long time, and I've been using it. The best part is that, you know, the brush is really nice. Like you can have control over the brush, and it just draws the line really nicely. And this is kind of dense enough, so you know what you're doing. It is not like flimsy that you feel like you're just drawing in air and you don't know where you're going. So I definitely feel my control over this one, and therefore I'm able to actually draw a somewhat okay line on my, you know, eyelids. I would definitely recommend this eyeliner. Moving on to something which is called as a highlighter. This is by Swiss Beauty. I'm trying Swiss Beauty for the first time, but I've heard a lot about it. This product is priced, this is very affordable highlighter actually. This is brick highlighter, and this is priced at rupees 349. It comes in somewhat packaging like this, and it has a lot of colors. So it has a lot of shades, starting from a lighter shade and goes on to a slightly bronzy darker shade, and between the color tones actually vary from peach to pink. So this is really beautiful if you want to give yourself that glow, you know, that really beautiful highlighted glow, and just want to kind of swirl your fingers in this one, and it's so shiny. It is very shiny. I mean, this is the shine. It's so good. So I love the shine aspect of it. I got myself, I'm not sure the shade part of it, but I think it's really beautiful, you know. So if you're looking for a nice highlighter in the affordable range, you can definitely try this one out. I love the shimmery shades because I can also use this as eyeshadow. So yes, I will give you a close-up and I'll give you how it looks. This one is again by Swiss Beauty, and this is baked blusher and highlighter. So it has both blush and highlight into this one, and I did not realize that it has highlighter. I don't know what I was doing. I just ordered this one. Now this is what it looks like. So there are 4 colors in this one. There's a darker and lighter highlighter, and then there's a coral pink and probably an orange and a coral pink blusher. So everything is kind of shimmer. It's kind of not really shimmer, it's not very glowy, but it definitely has a slight bit of a sheen, not shimmer actually. So even if you're applying the blush, your cheeks will look slightly shiny, slightly wet and beautiful during this festive season. I think this is perfect, you know, to match your really glittery outfits. But if you have a textured skin, probably this might not do the work for you. You better go for a matte, you know, blush, because then it will kind of accentuate any kind of texture on the skin. But it is really beautiful if you want to apply a nice, you know, tint of color to your cheeks, has a little bit of sheen and a glow. This is so good. I mean, Swiss Beauty, I've tried this for the first time and I really like it. I love both the colors and I love both the highlighters, and of course you can double them up as eyeshadow, so that is perfect. Now moving on to a few creams that I got. I heard a lot about it, so I thought let me just give this a try. So this is L'Oreal Paris Skin Perfect Anti-Fine Lines Plus Whitening. They still use the word whitening. I do not use any product for whitening, guys. This actually fights first signs of aging and it provides glow and fairness, and this is SPF 20 PA triple plus. This also has Pro Collagen plus vitamin 3 times complex. I'm not sure what does that mean. This is priced at rupees 350, and this is the bottle. I heard so much about it as a day cream and I kind of applied it as well. This is an okay cream. This is not definitely a must, and I cannot say that it does anything with the fine lines or anything like that, but if you're looking for a cream, you can go with this one, because this is a moisturizing cream, plus it also doubles up as a sunscreen because it definitely has SPF into this one. Since I've not used it for a really long time, I cannot make any claim of it actually fighting with any kind of, you know, first signs of aging or anything like that. So yeah, if you've been using this cream, just let me know about the effects of this one. Would you recommend it? Would you not? I just bought it impulsively because I was in a really dire need of a day cream, even though it has a really strong fragrance. So that is something I don't like about this. Yeah, so I'm not sure if I'm going to recommend this, but if you do, then please let me know in the comment section below. Talking about creams, I have another one over here which is a cult favorite. This is Pond's Anti-Spot Fairness Day Cream. This is sun protection, has SPF of 15 into this one. Again, you know, it's high time the company should actually remove the word whitening, because we all know that it doesn't really matter. So this is the small cream, and I thought, why not? Sometimes you just want to go old school and want to slap some old creams. So yeah, I got for that, you know, for just like that. Yeah, that's a Pond's cream. This is super affordable. This is priced at rupees 125. So yeah, and it's a tiny bottle. Moving on to my favorite makeup removers. Of course, I cannot do without it. This is the Garnier Micellar Water. I do not use the Biphase one because Biphase one has oil into it, and for removing my mascara and eye makeup, I use Johnson's Baby Oil. So I get only these for my makeup, and I got them in the smaller sizes because I have a bigger bottle, and when I'm like going out and if I need to have it on the go, it's very difficult to carry a big bottle, you know, in your bag. So this is the one for travel, this is the one for convenience, and that is the one that I'm going to stock up. So yeah, you cannot have enough of micellar water if you wear makeup. I do YouTube, I wear makeup almost every time I'm filming a video. So, and even if I'm wearing anything such as BB or CC cream, I make sure that I use any kind of a micellar water or something like this to actually remove my makeup. So once you do YouTube, you know, you have to do your makeup. I don't know why. Once you start doing makeup, you have to do your makeup. It is just a thing. I think it happens with everybody, or with me. I feel so completely awkward without makeup, and that's really lame of me to say, but yes, I do. Now moving on to another few products I want to talk about. This is something I'm trying for the first time. This is Makeup Revolution London Pro HD Camouflage Conceal Palette, medium dark. This is palette. I don't know, this is some other language. This is priced at, this was expensive, I think. This is priced at rupees 1650, but of course this was available on discount. Now this is a contour palette. I got two of these because I have to gift one of these to one of my friends. This is what the concealer palette actually looks like, and it comes with this really huge mirror. This is a really good quality mirror actually. That is something I really like about any brand that gives good quality mirrors, because a mirror is really important, you know. So it has a lot of shades of concealers into it. It has a lot of shades in concealers. So it goes from some pink, pink undertone concealers to some yellow undertone concealer, along with this kind of a, dark concealer. If you're light skinned, then you can actually use this as a contour as well. So I do not like really creamy concealers because they actually settle in the lines. This is not very creamy. Once you take out the product, it is definitely creamy because it has to get on the brush or on your fingers. But once you apply it, it actually runs kind of semi-matte, and you can of course set it with a powder. The other palette that I got is this one. This is Makeup Revolution London's Cover and Conceal, and this is in the shade, again, a medium to dark. This is what it looks like. The packaging is really good. Again, it comes with a really nice mirror. You know, it's a very nice sturdy mirror, and the shades are slightly different than this one. The shades look like this. There's a slight bit of a difference in the shade. I'm so sorry about any kind of a reflection, but I'm definitely going to give you a close-up. There is a slight bit of a difference in the shade though, I feel like. But yes, it's pretty much, you know, the same concealer palette, and you can go for the either one. Because I have to gift this to somebody, so I will be keeping one and I'll be giving one to someone. This one is actually priced at rupees 1350. So yeah, this is what the concealer palette is like. Apart from that, I really like Lakme's loose powder that also has sunscreen. So this is one loose powder that's really nice. The quantity is so much that you feel so good. It also smells like rose, so it is perfect. I've been using this loose powder ever since I was in college. It brings back so much of nostalgia. This is priced at rupees 170 for a really big tub of powder. Next up, I got again a setting powder, which is banana powder by Makeup Revolution. I've been dying to try this one out because I heard so much about it, and it is very important to set your makeup. If you want your makeup to last long, it is important that you use any kind of a loose powder, preferably to actually set your makeup. And this product has mixed reviews. So some people really like it, some people say, it's okay. Some people compare it with Maybelline and they say that Maybelline is better. Some people say this is better. Overall, if I have to say you want something brightening under your eyes, go with this one. This is a perfect yellow undertoned powder. So it's a beautiful yellow undertone, and this is meant specifically for brightening and baking, like, you know, under the eyes and in your T-zone. And it is a lot of quantity. This is 42 grams, which is so much. This is called as luxury baking powder, banana, and this one is priced at rupees, I think 600 kya kuch ka tha ye. Yeah, this is priced at rupees 850, but this was available for around 600 rupees. So I really liked it. I used it today and I like the effect of it. So I think I see myself using this pretty often. Even though I don't think that the packaging is super convenient. Kind of you have to take out the product in your hands and then you have to use. I wish it had a bigger lid so you can actually use it directly from the tub or the packaging. So again, talking about a powder, this is Maybelline's Fit Me Matte Plus Polish Compact Powder. This has SPF of 28 PA+++, gives 12 hours of oil control, and I got myself in the shade 112, which is Natural Ivory. This is for 199. If you're looking for a really nice, affordable but a good quality you know, face compact, get yourself this. Not only the packaging is super cute, but it actually gives you a really, you know, good finish. This also is kind of, it comes in this packaging, and I really like the packaging because they have given a mirror on top, and then the product is here with a puff. I don't use this, but yeah, those who do, it's a perfect packaging. And it looks really good. It is a super convenient packaging. The best part is that, you know, it gives coverage as well. Very minimum coverage, but it does give coverage. I do not like any product that does not do anything to the coverage, because otherwise why am I using it, right? Especially for me, I have a lot of spots and all, so I need to cover. And then of course you need to look a little dry and matte if you're oily. This is a very, very, very good powder. I regret not trying it earlier, but I really like it. I think I'm going to reach for this pretty often. This one is a very fine milled powder. It applies really nicely, especially if you apply it with a brush. I would never suggest using this one because it just concentrates the product at one place, and if you're wearing a foundation, it just removes the foundation. So, or else you just, you know, kind of dab it on yourself, then that's okay. But a brush is always a good idea to use with this powder. Would highly recommend this one. This is really nice. Moving on to three more things. This is Maybelline's Hyper Glossy Liquid Liner. Again, one of the cult favorite eyeliners. Now, the previous eyeliner that I did show you, this one, this is matte, but this is shiny. So if you apply it, it is going to be glossy on your eyelids. So if you blink, your eyeliner is going to look slightly glossy and, you know, wet. So that's why I got it. They also come in a matte form in a white bottle. Next up, I got this liquid sindoor. This is not for me, I got it for somebody. So while I was ordering, my friend was sitting next to me and she said my mom needs a sindoor, so I got this one. This is Lakme Jewel Sindoor, and it has a little bit of glitters into this one. So yeah, this is sindoor. If you're looking for one, you can go with this one. Always buy good quality sindoor. This is a maroon color sindoor, and the price of this one is 155 rupees. I'm not going to open it because I have to give it to her. So yeah, normal sindoor. Next up, and the last product that I got, this one, and this one is definitely my favorite product. You know, I've been wanting to buy a good eyeshadow palette. It's been really long that I've been using either my Wet n Wild one or the one that I got really long time back, Fortune Favors the Brave by Makeup Revolution London. Now I've got another eyeshadow palette by Makeup Revolution London only, and this is called as eyeshadow palette. I'm not sure. Optimum? What is this palette called as? This palette is called as Forever Flawless Optimum, and this is what the packaging looks like. It is kind of icy grey packaging, and it has a lettering of bronze color over here. When you open the packaging, of course, they have given a really big mirror, very chunky mirror, which is really good, and then they have given all these shades. Okay, the best part about this palette is that it has all really beautiful colors, actually usable colors. Most of the palettes of this size actually will have really random colors for normal people like us. I mean, if I talk about myself, I'm not an artist, so I do not need bright fuchsia pink color, or parrot green color, or really bright yellow color. I would definitely not use those colors in my normal regular everyday to day life. You would find this palette to be really handy because it has all the colors that are super useful, and you will end up actually using all the shades, so it is not going to be a waste of money. However, I was slightly disappointed in this one because one of the eyeshadows actually came busted. So this was broken and it actually spread everywhere. So that was a little annoying part, but I know that this was just a shipping mistake, and that's totally fine. And I really like this one. This is a really nice shimmery bronzy color, but that's okay because it has a lot of shades. So it has really perfect balance of mattes that you can use on your crease, and it has a really perfect balance of nice shimmers that you can actually use during this festival season. However, this was slightly expensive. I think this is priced at rupees 1,750, but again, it is available on discount. This is a tin box, so, and I'm not really sure if it is okay to travel with this one because one of the shadows actually came busted. That is the whole problem, but it's a beautiful palette. I simply love this palette, would highly recommend. And then there's nothing else. The box is empty. There are some packagings and stuff over here. So yes, that is it in my video. So that is it in this video of mine, in my really long Amazon beauty / makeup haul video. So thank you so much once again for watching. I love you all so much. Take care. Bye guys. Bye.